I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Welcome to Zuri Chats, the show that brings you the best discoveries in the world of lifestyle. You remember we once did a video on driving in Dubai. Now, I came back home and I decided I'd like to just give it a shot. It's been interesting and I am excited to let you know, guys, that it's just been day 3. It's been fantastic. We are in a town that's not very far from Isiolo, and I have been driving since I was picked up from the house. You're going to pardon me, there's a bit of heckling from the young men around this town. There's a bit of all this happening. A lot of men that are drunk, so we are going to just shoot as it is. Yes, can I help you? Nataka kusimama mbele ya kamera kidogo.
Pande hii.
Niko pande hii. Niko pande hii. Wewe unaitwa nani?
Eriko. Hapo.
Haya. Sasa unaitwaje?
DM.
Okay. Na wewe unaitwa Eriko. So this is Eriko. This town is known as DM. Okay? Tumefurahi sana kukuwa na wewe kwenye video yetu. There's a bit of wind and a lot of background noises, so you're going to pardon us. Yeah, so very nice to meet you, Eriko. Asante sana. Naendelea na kazi, wacha nifanye kazi yangu. Sawa sawa?
Unajua nimefanya kazi yako.
So guys, I just met this gentleman known as Eriko. I'm really excited to be here. So I'll be doing a bit of driving here and there. I can see my camera is shaking, but well, we're still going to continue with it as it is. I'm going to just do a bit of driving, and then I will start driving back towards home.
We rub the wax.
Yes, and he wraps the wax. Okay.
We rub the wax.
Very good. So, see you.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street. It stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many.
I gave you my heart.